What's up YouTube, and thank you for watching the Soldier Barber Life. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Suprent foil shaver, the FS235, also known as the Magician, so stay tuned. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. First off, it's pretty nice looking at the outside. Very decent box that this does come in. We'll read some of the specs that are on the back. It says that the motor has 8,000 RPMs plus or minus 200. Power supply input is a DC 5 volt 1 amp. Run time of 2 hours, a charge time of 2 hours, and that the battery type on this is a lithium ion with a battery capacity of 1400 mAh. So if you don't know already, Suprent is a company that's been releasing a lot of clippers, a lot of trimmers, different type of things for barbers, and they are very budget friendly. So you can get a pretty good quality product and you don't have to really break the bank. So if you're interested in starting out in barbering, or just want to get some products or tools that aren't that expensive but are still going to remain good quality, I definitely recommend checking them out. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we're working with. Alright, so we got the slide that lid off of there, take the little plastic cover off here, and let's take this out. Alright, we got the little protective lid there. So this is what we have here. This is the Suprent foil shaver. You got that black and silver color going there. Pretty nice. As far as the weight of it, I'd say it's like in the middle as far as compared to other shavers. Probably one of the heaviest shavers that I've worked with is the Babyliss FX shavers. Those are the FX02 shavers, are really heavy, and then some of the lightest ones I've had has been like the Andis Pro foil shaver. So I'd say this is closer to that Andis one, maybe a little bit more heavier than that, but definitely lightweight. You can definitely use this all day and not get kind of fatigued. So looks like we have the power lever here on the front. As soon as you click that on, you get this blue LED indicator at the bottom. Turn that off. We got the little protective case here. We'll take that off. Take a look at these foils. They definitely seem like they're pretty good quality foils that are on here. You kind of have that staggered two-tier look on it, so you can definitely be able to get that when you're balding out with this. It'll be able to catch it, and you can use different angles and stuff when you're doing that. On the back, you do kind of have this grip, so when you are using this to bald out, you kind of have that ability to have grip on there. It looks like on the side here, this button, you press that, and that's what releases when you need to clean this, do maintenance on this, or replace this. And then you have the actual cutters here with the springs on them, spring loaded, pretty standard across the board. These are a little bit larger and some pretty decent size holes on there. So snap that back on there. As far as the charging, that is a USB type C charger. So if you have one of those already, that'll be great. Put that on there. Sound test again. Alright, so let's see what else comes in the box. It says accessories are at the bottom of the package for those that may not have caught that. Alright, so we got your manual that you have here. Suprent pretty much says the Magician foil shaver, born for the professional. User manual has all the info and stuff like that in there for you. We've got a little card here just from Suprent letting you know about their information. We have a little cleaner inside here, so you can use this little brush to clean that foil out. And then we've got our USB Type-C charger on here. You can see the regular USB-A type on this end, and then USB-C, which would go into there, plug in there like such, so you can charge that. This seems like it's a pretty decent length cord, not too crazy in length, probably maybe 3 feet when you open it up. And let's see what else is in here. It says accessory. Oh wow, so you actually get a whole extra foil head. That is really nice. That's actually a surprise, because most of the time when you buy a new foil, when these do go bad, you do have to buy a whole nother set with either just the head or with the whole kit with the cutters as well. But that's pretty good for a company like them to actually add, when you buy this, an extra one in there. That really says a lot about them. So, you know, I really rock with them for that, thinking about the customer in mind and what they need. So that'll pretty much do it for this unboxing. I will be using this today when I'm doing some cuts, so you stick around. I'll throw some footage of me actually using this, putting it to work and testing it out, so I can review it and see how it's going. Thank you guys for watching.